our economic progress. Globally, Kenyans have excelled in semi-skilled, skilled, and professional occupations. Our expenditure on training, learning, and education in general is a most appropriate investment in the development of the human capital necessary in our economic progress. Recognizing this, we have increased the total allocation to our education sector by an additional 127 billion this year. Out of this, 46 billion will support the new university funding model that gives equal chance to every child in Kenya to acquire university education. An additional 9 billion to cover our TVET funding model and the hiring of an extra 2,000 tutors necessary for our TVET education. An additional 47 billion to enable TSC, Teacher Service Commission, hire 56,000 new teachers and other interventions, and 24 billion for junior secondary school and to support the construction of additional infrastructure. To cover the chronic classroom deficit in the city of Nairobi, we have undertaken to build 3,500 additional classrooms in the city of Nairobi, with the first 1 billion allocated in this year's budget. And we are going to work with all members of parliament to make sure that the city of Nairobi, the seat of government, and the pride of our nation does not leave any child behind when it comes to education. Agriculture, ladies and gentlemen,